XRP to $200. Breaking Robinhood listing confirmed. Ripple just might be the missing piece of your investment portfolio. XRP becomes a viable competitor when it comes to Bitcoin, the world's first and largest cryptocurrency. Did you know that our all-time favorite crypto is being listed on the world's most known crypto exchange, Robinhood? With this, it is likely that XRP will reach $200 soon, all thanks to this listing and, of course, its other uses. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to discuss the fact that Robinhood, the popular crypto exchange, is listing XRP on its exchange. Is this going to have an impact on the price of XRP? Should we stock up on XRP since its price is gonna shoot up now? Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions, XRP price analysis, and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The CEO of Robinhood has confirmed that XRP will be listed on their exchange in the third week of November. You guys are aware of the fact that non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have dominated the crypto market this year, with sales exceeding $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021. That's why it's no surprise that the crypto community, as well as the primary creators, are creating NFTs in the hopes of growing revenue and participation. There's no doubt that Ripple XRP is a prominent cryptocurrency that is also one of the most intriguing in the crypto industry. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other well-known coins, it does not promote its decentralization. Instead, a lot of banks, investment organizations, and businesses all around the world are closely associated with cryptocurrency. Many traders assume that cryptocurrency's strongest selling point is its independence from other corporations. This may appear counterproductive. Crypto experts, on the other hand, are increasingly claiming that it could be the key to Ripple's success. Even though the world of cryptocurrencies is notoriously difficult to anticipate, some feel that Ripple XRP's unique market position will allow it to avoid some of the turmoil that could shock the industry in the coming years. Previously, Ripple has been trading above the 20-day exponential moving average, but bulls are trying to push the price above the upper resistance of $1.24. In addition, bears are selling at higher levels, as evidenced by the long week on the candle on November 15th. It is important to know that short-term traders may earn if the price does not rise above the $1.24 mark. Nevertheless, the price may fall below the 50-day simple moving average. If this support is also broken, bears may see an opening and try to push the XRP USD pair below $1. On the other hand, if the price bounces off the current level and breaks over $1.24, it means that buyers have triumphed over the bearish, and this might pave the way for a probable increase of $1.41. Thus, the bulls will have to overcome this stumbling block if they were to take the upper hand. The current XRP price is $1.09, with a 24-hour trading volume of USD 482 million. Meanwhile, XRP is down 0.09% in the last 24 hours. Many observers have concluded that XRP had no future once the SEC initiated a lawsuit against Ripple, and that this cryptocurrency had no chances for development. Consequently, many crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, have delisted XRP, but events have demonstrated that those who did not believe in XRP were mistaken. We all know that Ripple's company has been actively contesting the SEC charges for several years, even gaining the upper hand in this dispute. The crypto markets began to include XRP again as a result of this wave, and many people are now asking if Robinhood will do the same. Ripple was founded in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation was too early for its time. It resurfaced in 2012 as Ripple and shortly after issued the XRP token. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. It is a Ripple Labs product that differs on several levels, including from the majority of cryptocurrencies now in use. The coin is not based on blockchain technology, but rather on the Ripple protocol, which eliminates the needs for a distance ledger database. Gateways linked to the company's servers in several regions across the world are used to verify and process transactions. While the mining process is an important aspect of all tokens, it's not the same for XRP coins, which have a cap of 100 billion units issued by the firm. Over 35 billion of those coins have been put into the market, with the remainder held behind the company that releases them regularly to maintain control over the token supply and circulation. This is because the amount of coins in circulation decreases with each transaction. Did you guys know that Bitcoin is a deflationary asset? Ripple Labs, the main firm of this virtual asset, aims to form agreements with traditional financial institutions such as banks. Due to the differences between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, the company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, increasing the popularity of its native token XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. It also offers several advantages that we are going to talk about next. One of the most compelling features of Ripple technology is its transaction speed, which outperforms that of other cryptocurrencies and even beats that of quick wire transfers because XRP transactions are extremely rapid. It is a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments than the existing banking system. Traditional banking system transactions, as well as those of some cryptocurrencies, are inefficient, and the Rebel transaction protocol is no exception. The price is substantially reduced to a pittance. With digital currency, and other advantage is that the transaction can be reversed or modified if there is an error. All of these capabilities have helped the Ripple network form important collaborations with established financial institutions, as well as influencing XRP's growth value over time. Ripple's recent relationship with SBI, the Japanese payment powerhouse, has drawn the attention of several technology companies in the South Pacific region. Furthermore, the entire region is projected to see growth and adoption of Ripple technology, as the Ripple remittance arrangement is claimed to be setting the way for much broader Ripple usage. The Ripple security lawsuit does not appear to be bothering Japanese regulators or SBI officials. The coin's value is so significant for years after its birth, and it was nearly worthless before 2017. The asset's value lingered around 1 cent at a time, but that soon changed as the token gained traction and took advantage of the crypto industry's bull run that year. By April 2017, XRP had risen to 5 cents, and it had continued to rise steadily until it hit 25 cents in May. There was no turning back for the asset after that, as it had captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value it created and the potential it possessed. The asset's value increased throughout 2017 and into early 2018, reaching an all-time high of $3.84, but that was quickly followed by a dramatic decrease in the value that affected every other cryptocurrency as well. Many saw the industry's spectacular run as nothing more than a bubble that, like all bubbles, will burst. And the instance of the 2017 crypto sector bull run, this was confirmed. Its price remained stable at roughly 30 cents at the end of the year, and it never went above 50 cents. This means that Ripple XRP has never been able to regain its former glory, as its value has never surpassed $1. However, the bullish run of 2020, which will begin near the close of the year, helped the asset's value rise. The token rates were at an all-time high of 80 cents before settling at 66 cents at the end of the year. The surge in XRP value was intended to continue in early 2021, but that was prevented by the SEC's notice of a lawsuit following the disclosure that certain exchanges had delisted XRP from their platforms. While the Economic Forecast Agency predicts that the Ripple XRP would lose value before the end of 2021, wallet investor and privacy-only Bitcoin anticipate that XRP will surge in value by the end of the year. Ripple XRP is now trading at $1.11 and has a market capitalization of $52.1 billion. This places it as the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency, the position that sounds good but is a far cry from its prior position of 3rd. That said, that's it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. You should not treat any of the content as such. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP being listed on Robinhood. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.